Hey everyone, it's David here. Figured I'd come at you with a video. I'm at Joplin 44 truck stop here in Joplin, Missouri. Give you a quick tour. Don't forget, like, follow, and share. Got the wall of lights. Nice Kenworth. Full trailer inside. Got some toys here. This is actually a sister truck stop to Iowa 80. Got all kinds of goodies. All right. Got different cleaning materials. All right, they got what I'm looking for here. There's got toolboxes over there. Polishing compounds and tools, high-vis workwear, there's all the flatbedding equipment, closer look at the toolboxes. Got ladders. Now we're getting into all the different chrome pieces. Everybody likes a chromed out truck, don't they? Nice bumpers. You got the food court here. You got Starbucks, Dairy Queen, Orange Julius, McDonald's. More little novelty souvenirs. Probably the best looking Peterbilt that's not on the road right now. Chrome bumper. We got all the electronic equipment. Sunglasses. Now we're getting into the lights. Got steering wheels. More lights. Different mud flaps and stuff that are truck specific. Mud flap brackets and hangers. They got the marine one here for James. Horns, grills, other little accessories, shifter extenders for those that don't drive automatic trucks. Got little knobs and stickers for knobs and locking gas caps, chrome interior pieces, more lights. Use this full trailer for storage. Steering wheel covers, exhaust, shift knobs, more exhaust, display mattresses. Let's head up to the souvenir store. See what they got up here. Cups for your different sports teams. Placement seats. Got the little embroidery and vinyl custom shop. Got more clothes up here. Haircut. Different type of motorcycle gear. They got a little bit of everything here. You can get your kids high-vis video where you can see them running through the stores. bunch of different shirts. Cool metal art.
I'm not too bad.
More little trinkets, home decor, wooden puzzles, and some of them are actually kind of very intricate. Got the classic dollhouse here from 1928.
It's my gold.
Now we're in the convenience store part of it. You get your cold drinks, snacks. You got light beer diner. More souvenirs and odds and ends. All kinds of lapel pins from military to motorcycles and states, countries, flags of the world. Beef jerky stand, Iowa Steakhouse. I got one more area to go to. See if we can get over there pretty quickly. Got the coffee bar and roller grills. More snacks and odd sodas. Now we get back over here to the other side of the food court. Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, and there's the McDonald's and the others again. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe out there, drivers.